Tech adopter, senior citizens in Rohtas district after e-voting for the Bihar municipal polls on Saturday. Special arrangement. Bihar becomes first state to vote using mobile app. ESECBHR was made available for elderly, disabled persons, pregnant women to vote in municipal by-polls and election in 6 Nagar Panchayats, East Champaran native caste country's first e-vote. Amit Bhelari, Patna. In a first, voters exercised their franchise through mobile phones in Bihar on Saturday. The voting was part of the municipal by-polls and election in 6 Nagar Panchayats in the state. The districts where the polls were held include Patna, Buxar, Rohtas and East Champaran. While voting continued through the usual method of electronic voting machines at all the polling booths, some voters were able to cast their vote from home through a mobile phone app. The facility was made available for senior citizens, disabled persons, and pregnant women who may find it difficult to visit the booths. Polling was held across 489 booths for 538 candidates. People were also able to use the State Election Commission website to vote. Mrs. Bibha Kumari cast the country's first e-vote, creating new history with e-voting in local body elections. A symbol of convenience, security, and empowered participation, Bihar State Election Commission, SEC, posted on X. She is a resident of Pakradayal in East Champaran district. Munna Kumar from the same district was the first male voter to cast an e-vote. Bihar State Election Commissioner Deepak Prasad had earlier said that eligible voters could install the ESECBHR app and link the mobile number added in the voters list. The app was developed by the Center for Development of Advanced Computing, CDAC. Mr. Prasad, however, did not disclose whether this facility would be available during the upcoming assembly election due in October to November. Tampering concerns. Allaying concerns around the risk of tampering of e-votes. Mr. Prasad asserted that efforts have been made to maintain transparency and the voting process would be smooth and fair. Only 2 registered voters are allowed to log in using one mobile number, and verification of each voter is done by entering the voter identity number. The other security measures include blockchain technology, face matching and scanning.